word is ear, which means this word is beer. No, it's bear. You don't see how? It's because it's ear with a B. Bear. That's why. Which means this word would be bared? No. What would you think? It's bear with a D. Beard. Let's take a step back, okay? This word is bear, which means this word is fair. No, it's fear. You don't see how? Ear with an F. Fear. Which means ear with a P would be pear. No, it's pear. Remember bear? I guess I'm moving too fast. So ear with an H would be, it'd be hair? No. Here? And then if you add a D, heard? No, it's heard. You know, see how? It's here with a D. Heard. Which means this word would be hurt. No, it's heart. What would you think? Here with a T. Heart. You don't see how? No.
Research flat earth.
Are you okay?
Research flat earth.